In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. So there are different methods to do that. The first one is by doing this pre-joining the meeting. So when you receive a link and you click on join, you're gonna see this screen that will ask you for the permissions like the screen, your camera, your microphone, etc. Now we're gonna have to enable the camera and then go to background filters. From here, we can add a brand new, so we can add a custom background, or you can choose these ones from here. You can even use a blur background, and then after that, so after we do that, we just have to close this, and then we can click on join now. So after we join, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, and we can also click on open video options and change it from here if you want. So as you can see, we have backgrounds and we can basically choose from here, and we can also click on more video effects and settings to have more options. After you choose, click on apply, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.